Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll learn about an important Excel skill, sorting data. This is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you organize your data in the order you need, whether it's by revenue, date, or any other field in your data set. Let's start by selecting the data you want to sort. You can either highlight the entire data range or simply click on any cell within your data set. After that, go to the Data tab in Excel and click Sort. Once you open the sorting options, you'll see a box where you can select the column you want to sort by. For example, if you're working with a list of customers and their revenue, you might choose the revenue column to sort the data from smallest to largest. After selecting your column, click OK, and Excel will automatically rearrange the data in the order you specified. It's also possible to sort by multiple criteria. For instance, if you want to sort by date of transaction instead of revenue, you can go back to the Sort window, select the transaction date column, and apply the sorting. This allows you to see your data from the earliest transaction to the latest, organized neatly. Sorting makes it easy to analyze your data. Whether you're reviewing sales figures, customer lists, or any other kind of information, sorting helps you find exactly what you need quickly and efficiently. By learning how to sort data effectively, you'll be able to manage large data sets much more easily and spot trends or outliers in seconds. It's a great skill to have when working in Excel.